Good afternoon, guys. How's it going? Just out here working on getting this caliber on with new brake pads and roller. So made a little post about asking a question about if y'all want a update on the pickup. So here's a little update on what I've got going on right now. Been working. So I decided to pick up some parts other than some of the parts I had already had laying around for a different project, but came out fine, other than this brake caliber being a pain in my ass, but that's nothing new. Tired, getting a little wore out, frustrated with this thing, so been working on getting this caliber on with new brake pads. So got the other side done with a new wheel hub. I got that done yesterday. Wheel on. So got one thing out of the way, working on the other. Took that inner wheel well out earlier. Tire on. So I finished that job up. So I came over to this side so I can get that out of the way too. So the other day I figured I'd take a measurement of this hole here for the intake for a throttle body. So the reason I took that out was because, let me show you something here. Don't pull the heck, alright? This is my old filter. This side may look nice, but not so much on the inside. Yeah, haven't changed it out for a while, so I'm gonna be replacing that with this cone filter. I got this on my other truck, so I like it. Stupid receipt. So here's what the cone looks like. I think my other one's blue, but I went with red this time. This one's universal, which is fine by me. This includes filter, base, adapter, rings allowed of this filter on 3-inch to 3.5 and 4-inch intake tubes. So it's called Spectre Performance. So after I get done wrestling around with that thing, this is going to be my next project, putting that on. Then after that, I'm gonna take one day to myself and change the radiator out, which I bought a new one for it from a salvage yard. So yeah, that's what I've been wrestling with for the last hour and a half, 2 hours. That and new radiator. So just trying to get that finished up, bolted up, tire back on, back down on the ground. Plus, I had to get new lug nuts for that side because I only had 4, so my stupid ass. And what's really nice about this, it's ready installed and pre-oiled filter, which means you can take it out, clean it, and re-oil it. So yeah, that's my update with this thing. Try and get everything done on this thing. So yeah, no wheel well there, and no wheel well there. So the reason I took the cap off my master cylinder here, so to push the piston back in the caliper. So then once everything's said and done, then I'm gonna start looking around for a set of tires for this thing. Plan on going with 31s for this thing after I cut the rust out on the fenders here, so they won't explode on me again like last year. So plus the biggest thing is I gotta get a new battery for this thing, and probably take this horn out and mount some kind of little battery box there for a little bit better battery, so once I hook my winch up, that will be ready to go for a secondary battery. So that's what I've been doing, trying to gather the parts up, get this job done out of my garage, so I can start working on a motor, overhauling it. Whoever wants to see that, let me know. Probably end up overhauling that 318 for my one other project out there, so I can put that back in a frame and, well, probably overhaul it, cover it up with a garbage bag. So been busting my ass so I can bring more content to you guys with this thing. Yeah, I know it's rusted out. So anyways, I know it's not much of an update, so that's the new radiator. Spectre performance filter. Brake pads, rotors, wheel bearing on that side, because the wheel bearing I took off was, well, pretty shot from last year. Broke. There we go. That's the old wheel hub. Get all that's going to a scrap. If anyone's gonna ask what kind of performance parts I'm gonna put in here, I already did the exhaust. I'm gonna put a cold air intake coolant on it, and after that I should be pretty well set after I get a set of tires for this thing. The day that we reach 1K on this channel, if not a little bit more, I know it said I would roast the tires around 5 or 1,000. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I just want to get everything buttoned up, running right, so I can actually do that for hitting that 1K goal. You fucking talk. So, anyways. Yeah. This battery said it was tested tough max. Yeah, well, it wasn't very good if it didn't last this long. Fucking Ford Motorcraft batteries, I hate them. So, anyways, I'll catch y'all later, and I'll let you know what's going on later on with this thing till I'm done with it. Y'all have a good one. Later.